Hello! Elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. Elephant. Bear. Bear has brown fur. Lion. Lion has a fluffy mane. Monkey. Look at Monkey's long tail. Penguin. Penguin has black and white feathers. Tiger. Tiger has stripes. Kangaroo. Kangaroo has a pouch. Walk like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Bounce like a kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Swing like a monkey in a tree. Move like the animals that you see. Hi there, let's play. Horse. Horse has hooves. Cow. Cow has a bell. Sheep. Sheep is white. Pig. That's a pink pig. Duck. Duck has an orange beak. Frog. Frog is green. Goat. Goat has horns. Trot, trot, trot. That's how a horsey runs. Hop, hop, hop. Bunnies are so much fun. Slop, slop, slop. That's how a piggy eats. Ducky swim and waddle. Hello! Monkey. Tiger. Penguin. Kangaroo. Walk like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Bounce like a kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Swing like a monkey in a tree. Move like the animals that you see. Goat. Pig. Sheep. Frog. Trot, trot, trot. That's how a horsey runs. Hop, hop, hop. Bunnies are so much fun. Slop, slop, slop. That's how a piggy eats. Ducky swim and waddle.
Hey kids, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates.